জয় বিশ্বেশ্বরী জয় বিশালাক্ষী জয়।
Dripto, the priest asked you your future wife's name, and you took Nayan's name. Are you completely out of your mind? Sometimes I really don't understand. What do you think? Anyways, tell him Jasmine's name now. What? Why are you quiet? Tell him. Hey, fine, you don't have to tell him. I will tell him. It's Jasmine, priest. The bride's name is Jasmine.
Are you getting married against your will, son? Marry the one you have accepted as your wife in your heart. The place beside Lord is always goddess. No one can take that place. Don't marry against your will. It doesn't make life happy.
Listen, priest. We don't pay you separately for your advice, okay? Focus on your work. Offer prayers on behalf of the name I told you.
You don't have to pay me for my advice, child. I belong to the olden times, so it's my habit to wish everyone good. I said it for your brother's good, okay?
We don't need it, priest. Offer the prayer on behalf of the name I told you. Offer prayers on behalf of Jasmine.
Piku said the right name, sir. Well, offer prayers on behalf of the name Piku just told you. And you don't have to think about who I will marry.
Dripto! Where are you going?
I'll wait for you in the car. Bring the prayer tray. Go.
Oh Lord, no one should go empty-handed from your abode. Please fulfill the boy's wish, Lord. The one he loves should become his life partner, Lord. Help him, Lord. Please help him.
Why hasn't Jeet returned yet? Is he bringing the policeman along? And what about the report of the flowers? Oh Lord. Who is calling me? Is it the policeman?
Nayan, this is Jeet speaking.
Jeet, where is the policeman? Did you meet him?
No, Nayan. I haven't met Mr. Karmakar. Nobody knows where he is.
You haven't got any news of the policeman?
I can't understand anything. No one in the police station knows where he is. I tried many times to contact him using the police station's phone, but couldn't get through.
I also tried to call him but couldn't get through him. What will happen now? What will happen?
I have no idea, Nayan. But what I'll do is, I'll wait at the police station. He hasn't come here yet. But what if he comes later?
Okay. Oh, okay, Jeetu, what you think is right. The test report of the flower was my last resort, Lord. I thought I will show Sir the test reports and try to convince him that I am not lying. That Jasmine really wants to harm him with those flowers. I'd ask him not to marry her. But I don't have that option anymore, Lord. Will I have to watch Drupto sir getting married to Jasmine now, Lord? Why, Lord, why? I only requested you one thing. To not show me dangers that I can't stop. It's better that you kill me, Lord. If I can't save him, what's the point of me staying alive? What should I do? What should I do, Lord? What should I do?
Nayan? Don't give up, my child. I would still advise you not to give up.
I mean, you are our last hope. If you lose hope, what will we do, Nayan? Create an obstacle in the wedding somehow. Don't let the wedding take place. Don't let this wedding take place. I am trying my best, ma'am, but I'm unable to do anything.
Listen, friend. I have an idea. We will turn off the main switch during the wedding. In the cover of the dark, Jeet and I will gag Chowmein and take her away. And then you will replace her. You and Drupto will get married. So, how is the idea? Shall we do it? Please let me do it. Shall I?
If the wedding could be stopped by doing this, it wouldn't have been a problem.
Hey, Nayan. Hey! Why would you say that? Those who have given up talk like this. You can't talk like this. I can't see you lost. Listen, my child, there is still some time. Deepu hasn't returned from the temple yet. He hasn't been welcomed yet. There is still some time. Please think, if you can arrange for some evidence, try and find a way to call off this wedding. There is still some time. Please try, my child.
No. You don't have time. Time has ran out. As they say, time is up. What are you trying to say? Time for what is up? Time for your conspiracy is up, Mom. You made a nice team. One is fool, another is drunkhead, and you are an old person. You are fighting without a sword and a shield. You wanted daughter-in-laws like them, right? Who would dance to your tunes? Am I right? Jasmine is not going to do all that. You realized that and got so scared that you were making last effort to call off the wedding
a few minutes before it starts.
Oh my, poor my mom. No doubt I'm a poor woman. I gave birth to a daughter like you. I am a poor lady. But Durba, don't talk about something you do not know. You have always thought about yourself. How will you understand Nayan's value then?
Mom, my standard is not so low that I will understand a maidservant's value. I'm very sorry. You can understand if you want. Listen, Nayan. The groom is here. Deepu has arrived. Let's go. Why are you standing here? You have to welcome the groom. Hey, take it. Hold it like this. Hold it. Hold it. I said hold. Come on. Come on.
Please leave me.
Come. Walk faster.
There,
The groom is here. The groom is here.
Come.
They are here. Deepu and all have arrived. Durba, come here. Come on.
The place beside Lord is always goddess. No one can take that place. Don't marry against your will, child. It doesn't make life happy.
Create an obstacle in the wedding somehow.
If you can arrange for some evidence, try and find a way to call off this wedding. There is still some time.
The place beside Lord is always goddess. No one can take that place. Don't marry against your will, child. It doesn't make life happy. Marry the one you have accepted as your wife in your heart.
Go welcome Deepu. Go welcome him. Don't let this wedding take place. If this wedding happens, my Dripto will be harmed.
Don't let this wedding take place, Nayan. If this wedding takes place, there will be a disaster.
Don't let this wedding take place. If this wedding happens, Deepu will be harmed.
Don't let this wedding take place, Nayan. If this wedding takes place, there will be a disaster.
Nayan, half an hour has passed. Your time's up. Do you understand what that means?
Time has ran out. As they say, time is up.
Nayan, half an hour has passed. Time's up.
Create an obstacle in the wedding somehow.
Don't let this wedding take place. If this wedding happens, Deepu will be harmed.
If this wedding takes place, there will be a disaster.
Nayan? Nayan!
Hey, listen! You two look great! Huh? Wonderful! A perfect couple! Yay!
What are you doing, Deepu? Leave her. Deepu, your headgear also fell down. Pick it up. Why did she have to faint now? How long will you hold her, Deepu? What are you doing?
Why hasn't she come around yet? And why did she fall unconscious all of a sudden? Nayan? Nayan? Nayan?
Dripto, what are you doing? Why did you go down on your knees?
He's impossible, uncle. What will people say?
He is so concerned about a maid.
Disgusting. He embarrassed us in front of everyone.
Friend,
Nayan?
what happened to her?
Nayan?
No air onto her face. Hey, Nayan.
Hey, Nayan.
Rangana, go
Yes,
get some
I'm
water.
going right away.
Nayan?
What happened to you, Nayan?
Okay.
Look, hurry up. Hey, Nayan. Wake up, my child.
Rangana
What
and
happened to
Pratima
you?
away from here somehow. They are trying different ways to call off the wedding. We can't let them interfere. Take them away immediately, please. Go.
Aunt, let me see. Pratima, please get up. Let me see.
Yes.
Yes, please get up.
See what happened?
Nayan?
Yes.
What happened?
Nayan? Nayan? What's this?
She's-
Nayan? Nayan, look at me.
Deepu, how long will you sit here? It doesn't look good, believe me. I'm sure you don't know about the drama of this girl and her mates.
Drama? What do you mean, Aunt? What are you saying?
What is it if not a drama? She was asked to welcome the groom. Don't you see how she ruined the ritual? She's pretending to be unconscious.
She's pretending.
Of course. She was fine and then she fell unconscious. She destroyed the tray containing grains. Oh, she broke the tray of grains.
She caused a bad omen.
What a shame, what a shame. Have you thought about how Jasmine is going to feel when she gets to know about all of this?
Nayan can't create an obstacle in this wedding anymore.
Am I right?
I've ruined her plan, Jasmine. She can't do anything now. Now she will just quietly watch your wedding. All Nayan can do now is shed her tears and cry.
That is what I wanted. I will be at peace when I see her tears.
It's gone, it's gone. The wedding is cancelled.